You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide notification content on your Android lock screen for privacy. Open the Settings app, tap on Notifications, tap on Lock Screen. You may see options like Show All Notification Content, Show Sensitive Content only when unlocked, or Don't Show Notifications at all. Select Hide Sensitive Notification Content or Don't Show Notifications. This will hide the text of messages, emails, and other alerts, showing only the app icon. You can also customize this per app. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, then select an app, tap on Notifications, then tap on the notification category, like Messages. Look for on the lock screen and set it to hide sensitive content or don't show. Another method is to use your phone's lock screen and security settings. Some Samsung phones have this under Settings, Lock Screen, Notifications. Here you can toggle hide content or select icons only. This ensures that anyone glancing at your phone can't read your private messages. Remember, you will still see notifications when you unlock your phone. To completely disable lock screen notifications, set the lock screen option to Don't Show Notifications. This is the most private setting. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.